Today we're going to make a great all-purpose cleaner. So what you're going to need for that first is a spray bottle that will hold a cup to 2 cups. We're going to add to that 1 cup of water. Now I generally start with warm water when I'm making something like this. Then we're going to put in 2 teaspoons of cast steel soap. Now when you're looking for this in the store, it's in the drugstore, the health food store, it's usually on the bottom shelf because it's all natural. And this one is called Dr. Bonner's, and it comes in all kinds of fragrances. So feel free to find something you really like. Then my favorite addition to any cleaning product is tea tree oil. So we're going to put in about 20 drops of tea tree oil. Now this is an antibacterial, antimicrobial, so it's perfect for any cleaning product. Now we're going to just put our spigot on it, and remember, label your bottle always because we want to know what's in these bottles. Give it a good shake before you use it. This will store for up to 6 months and you can make it up in a larger portion. You're just going to give it a spritz just like that and wipe. That's all it takes. Use it in the kitchen, the bathroom, any place you have dirty, hard surfaces. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.